For some reason, we think that we can't have everything that we want. We can't have the business, the family, the car, whatever the fuck it is, right? The body, all these things, the life that we say that we want in some way, shape, and form. So we choose to sabotage. And I think it's Gay Hendricks, the big leap, call the upper limit syndrome, right? Like the ALPS, which is something that we work on so fucking deeply with our clients to keep them congruent with the actions that they said that they wanted to actually do to actually create the business that they would like and the life that is the key cornerstone of all of it, because your business should support the life that you fucking want. It should not be doing business for business. I love having conversations with you like this, and the reason is because this is what I was fucking built to do. My job is to help you guys actually uncover what it is that you were meant to do and actually help you guys profit like fucking crazy off of it and put yourself in a position where you can make as much money as you'd want, have the best fucking life, and do all these things at the same time as well. The first place you must start with this is also actively being the person who can actually create that. And this is why one of our newer clients who just put himself in a position where he did things for a long time, but then wasn't actively focusing on his character, the character that will create the result and consistently create the result and create safety for his family and all these other things. And that's the first thing we were working on with him. And as a consequence of that, we're putting him on a very, very, very strong, it's like a knock off the ledge plan, like get clients quickly plan, so he can build up his stack some quick wins, build up the self-worth again, prove that he can create the results again at the same time as well, which is the first thing we do with most of our clients. We get quick wins on the board so they can see that this is something that works, so they can see that they're going to continue to be able to succeed, get out of the day-to-day, put yourself in a position where you're actually fighting a strong mission with them, and actually have them in a position where they genuinely are happy with the work that they do, are very well remunerated, and everyone gets 100% fulfillment in the work they're doing at the same time as well. And then we stay the fuck out of the way and do the necessary work on ourselves to ensure that we can continue to grow, continue to be consistent, and continue to create great lives, right? This is the whole purpose of this stuff that we do.